Okay guys, today we see how to enable auto suggestion in typing in our desktop on Windows 10, 11, 7, etc. Setting is same. We have to learn first this. Go for first setting. You can go here accessibility, and guys, you can see this type of face, and you scroll down and go in keyboard. After type in keyboard, you can see this type of interface in your desktop. Then go in the typing setting, and here you find auto correct misspell words. If you type wrong spelling, so you have to on your auto correction these features. It's very helpful for you. And highlight also if you want them. And typing, here is more important features in your laptop computer. If you want to use suggestion types, then you should keep on, and you should use voice typing in your microphone key in your other software application. Then you have to on here in the setting, and space after I choose a text suggestion. If you have to add space after, then this you have to keep on, and add a period after a double tap and space bar. I think you have to understand it. Scroll down and you have to see so text suggestion is type here. Hardware keyboard text suggestion for the hardware keyboard aren't available in some language. They are not available in some language, but English is available. English, Nepali, Hindi is very available, so you have to keeps on here, and autocorrect also keeps on. So text suggestion based on the recognized language you are typing, you have to also text on. Now let's see. You can see here is coming auto suggestion typing. It's very harmful and very advantageous features in our laptop computer. If you want this, here guys, you have to see this auto suggestion. If you want to this feature, then you have to see this video and you have to keep. Okay guys, thank you. Today we'll meet you next video.